I have been working on selective protein degradations using our our technologies that have existed for years together. And this, we have actually been able to work on selective proteins. We have actually been able to convert it into sub-nano, in the sense that quantum, the molecules are basically 0.8 to zero point 0.9 nanometers. Obviously, these are bipolar micelles. These bipolar micelles basically would have dual charge on them and would work on the principles of quantum electromechanical physics. Therefore, the observations that we have obtained so far from SVP Hospital, as well as the ongoing trials, we have already covered over 100 patients who are morbid and comorbid, and that is ongoing at Sola Civil. For both the trials, we have had wonderful results, very encouraging results that could actually help the humanity.
My clinical experience of Ayog in this pandemic of COVID-19. It gave me excellent results in this pandemic. I am giving Ayog Advance to all positive patients in early stages. At the same time, I am starting Ayog Protect to all contact relatives as well as friends of COVID positive patients.
So my name is Dr. Bhavna Daga. I work with ONGC Ahmedabad Asset. Speaking about Ayog, yes, started after studying. I got to know the studies conducted in SVP Hospital. Then I thought that yes, I should give a try for it. So I started in some patients in very early stages, and the results were good. They didn't land up in any complications. Then I used it in my own family in Mumbai. Now I am right now diagnosed COVID positive. I am home quarantine and I am using it myself at this moment. Me and my husband both are using it. All I need to say is yes, it works. It has worked for my patients. It has worked for my family, and now it's working for me also.
Dr. Rajesh Desai, I am working in my COVID designated hospital in Ahmedabad, and उसमें माइल्ड टू मॉडरेट केस में आयोग एडवांस बहुत अच्छा है. मैंने 100 से ज्यादा पेशेंट को ट्रीट किया है सिर्फ आयोग एडवांस और मल्टीविटामिन के साथ. आयोग एडवांस का काम बहुत अच्छा है. वायरल लोड बहुत अच्छा कम करता है, और उसके साथ हम सीरियल RT-PCR कराते हैं, उसमें काफी अपने को रिजल्ट अच्छा मिलता है. तो मेरा सबसे यही है कि आप पहले आयोग एडवांस करना चाहिए. वायरल लोड डिक्रीज करने में बेस्ट है, और उसके बाद फिर फॉलोअप में हम आयोग प्रोटेक्ट देते हैं, और उसके साथ जो भी कांटेक्ट में आते हैं उन सबको हम आयोग प्रोटेक्ट देते हैं, कि जिसके बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट मिलते हैं. पेशेंट साइटोकाइन स्टॉर्म में जाने के चांसेस भी बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. तो हमारे लिए हम ये एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहता है. आयोग एडवांस जैसे कोविड पॉजिटिव RT-PCR में डिटेक्ट होता है, हम उसके साथ ही स्टार्ट करते, तो लंग इन्वॉल्वमेंट काफी कम हो जाता है. खास करके जिसको CRF हो या फिर लीवर डिजीज हो, उसके अंदर भी बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट. आयोग एडवांस का कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है, इसके कारण वो हम सेफ है, अच्छे से दे सकते हैं, और सब टॉलरेट भी अच्छे से करते हैं.
Myself, Dr. Asim Mehta. I am consultant physician practicing at Kamti, district Nagpur. I am sharing with you my personal experiences regarding Ayog Advance in the management of COVID patient. So during this time, in the month of July and August, our hospital was flooded with this type of patients who had severe symptoms, severe hypoxic, both lung filled white, but RT-PCR and rapid antigen test negative. So what we did, we admitted all these patients, kept them in the ICU. All the patients were on oxygen as per the requirement, and along with the supportive treatment, almost all the patients received Ayog Advance. Almost all the patients survived. At my personal level, I can definitely recommend that Ayog Advance should be used in all the patients who are mild to moderate for COVID, as well as in critical patient, along with the other supportive treatment and other definitive treatment.